Close your eyes and envision waking up in a room cleared of clutter, where the air itself seems lighter and your mind feels unburdened. This is not just a dream. It's a practical lifestyle choice that is gaining momentum in today's frenetic world. Minimalism in interior design is more than a trend. It's a philosophy. It encourages us to strip away the unnecessary, leaving room only for what truly adds value to our lives. By committing to this philosophy in your bedroom design, you create a haven that promotes tranquility and ease of maintenance, essential ingredients for rest and rejuvenation. Selecting the right color scheme is pivotal in creating a minimalist bedroom. The ideal palette should evoke peace and tranquility while reflecting light to keep the space feeling airy and open. Neutral tones like soft whites, light grays, and pastels are often favored, as they provide a calming backdrop that makes the room appear larger and more inviting. Adding one or two accent colors in muted shades can add a touch of personality without overwhelming the senses. For a minimalist bedroom, it's important to consider the psychological impact of colors. Soft blues and greens, for example, are known for their soothing effects and can be excellent choices for bedding or accent walls. By keeping the palette simple, you also reduce the visual distractions, making it easier to relax and drift into a peaceful sleep. The magic of a minimalist color palette lies not just in the choice of colors, but in their harmonious integration. Each element of the room, from the walls to the bedding and curtains, should contribute to a cohesive look that promotes serenity and ease. The furniture in a minimalist bedroom should perfectly blend functionality with style. Opt for pieces that serve multiple purposes to maximize space and maintain a clutter-free environment. For example, a bed with built-in storage can hide away linens or out-of-season clothing, while a sleek wall-mounted desk can double as a vanity. Choose furniture with clean lines and smooth surfaces. Not only do these styles maintain the minimalist aesthetic, but they are also easier to clean and maintain. Avoid ornate designs that collect dust and clutter the visual space. Quality should also be a key consideration. Investing in well-made, durable pieces can prevent the need for frequent replacements and reduce waste. Furniture placement is equally crucial. Aim to create an unobstructed flow within the room, allowing for easy movement and cleaning. This might mean opting for fewer pieces, but each piece will then stand out more and be more functional.
Minimalist decorating doesn't mean you have to forego personal touches. Rather, it involves choosing elements that are both practical and pleasing to the eye. Decorative elements should enhance the room's peaceful ambiance without causing clutter. Select artwork or photographs that feature simple, calming scenes or abstracts with subdued colors to contribute to the tranquil atmosphere. Consider incorporating elements of nature, such as a potted plant or a vase of fresh flowers, to add vibrancy and life to the room without detracting from the minimalist theme. These natural details can help purify the air and provide a soft, natural scent, enhancing the room's restful feel. Lighting also plays a vital role in a minimalist bedroom. Choose fixtures that are simple yet elegant and opt for soft, warm lighting to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Where possible, maximize natural light, as it is not only better for your health, but also enhances the overall aesthetics of minimalist design. Maintaining a minimalist bedroom is fundamentally about discipline and routine. Regularly decluttering is essential to keep the room feeling serene. Allocate time each week to remove any items that do not belong in the bedroom or that no longer serve a purpose. Focus on easy-to-clean surfaces and materials when choosing furniture and decor. For instance, hardwood floors or simple rugs can be much easier to maintain than carpets. Use storage solutions wisely. Well-designed closets or underbed containers can keep your belongings organized and out of sight, which is crucial for maintaining the minimalistic look. Embrace habits that support minimalism. Make your bed daily, manage wires and electronics efficiently, and keep surfaces clear. The less you have to clean, and the more peaceful your bedroom will become. By cultivating simplicity and functionality, your minimalist bedroom will transform into a bastion of relaxation that supports both your physical and mental well-being, proving that sometimes less really is more.